How to add affiliate links on Pinterest. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. For this, firstly, you need to launch your Pinterest application in your mobile device. So first thing, to add the affiliate link, you will have to create your very own pin. Tap on the plus sign icon at the bottom and select on the pin option. It will open up your album or gallery. Just tap on the video or photo that you want to add. You can edit your media using some of the effects, filters, and more. Start by entering a title for your pin. You can add the description if you want to, or you can leave it as well. Now the main is the link option. Here is where you will edit your link. Affiliate links will help you to increase the reach out for your product. In here, you will add the link of the certain product that you want to sell. People who come across your post can just tap on this link and they'll be redirected to the product, through which they can easily purchase it. That is how it is a wonderful idea for enhancing your business as well. To reach out for more, you can tag on topics. You can pick a board and check out some of the advanced settings as well. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We hope that you found it informative and helpful to you.